This morning, most of it has been down here in the Florida Keys. You see it between Key West, Marathon, along the 7-mile bridge. And for us, it's dry. Yesterday, though, boy, did we pick up some rain in some spots. We had 2 to 3 inches fall downtown Fort Myers. We had some localized street flooding, and then some areas didn't receive all that much. You can see the rain gauge here at Page Field, 0.12. So our official climate data yesterday still shows a deficit of 15.35, but we had a lot of rain around it. And like the last day or two today, not everyone will see the rain, but we will see some areas starting at 5, 6 o'clock to pick up on that wet weather, and those storms still lingering there near sunset. Our temperatures this morning down there 70, 72 Immokalee, Punta Gorda. So a nice little change. Dew point values down just a touch, and this is a sign of things that are coming here as we start to approach the weekend. And especially on Friday. Got some question marks here on Saturday. We'll talk about those in a minute. Now, we'll get up to 90 degrees here this afternoon with upper 80s from Naples inland. And you can see the record on the state's 96. We're going to be right at our average of 90. Like the last couple of days, cold fronts still draped across the southern half of the state. And what that's doing for us here is giving us another chance of rain this afternoon. Now, I'm going to stop this on Friday. We're going to watch this area of low pressure develop and move to the north. Dry air is going to pull in. So that should bump our dew points down, keeping the humidity low and keeping our rain chance low. Here's why I have question marks on Saturday. As this possibly subtropical area low pressure moves towards the Carolinas, it pulls moisture to the south. That's what we call moisture tails that are associated with that, pulling it back north. So you can see by Saturday, there may be enough instability with that tail right over southwest Florida that we bump our rain chance right back up. That's a change here, and we'll have to watch that system evolve. As far as the tropics here, we do have an area coming up the Cabo Verde Islands. This one does have a chance of developing. Matter of fact, a high chance. Likely to be the next named storm. And then a little closer to home, this is that area that, as it pulls north, is going to impact our weekend. Let me show you that same view, and keep your eye right here. That's the development of the low as it moves towards the Carolinas. This is noontime on Friday. There's the dry air. And this broader view, you can see that moisture stretching back to the south. As that lifts north, that's why we've got the question marks on Saturday. Now, 24 hours ago, it looked like we were going to squeeze in 2 days of dry weather, and then things are starting to evolve. So we will try to dial in Saturday a little bit more. There is a possibility that rain chance has to come up, and regardless of what happens there on Saturday, Sunday, by Monday, we're guaranteed to see our rain chance up back near 60%, and that's going to hold. So Friday looks to be the driest day for sure right now. Afternoon showers and storms back in the forecast, as hopefully we can continue to add to our rainfall totals and get rid of this deficit.